Hello guys, and welcome back to another Allure Beauty Box unboxing. So this one is the September one, I know. Or actually, no it's not, it's October. I'm stupid. We did September already. I knew that didn't sound right. Okay, it's the October one. My apologies. So, let's see, we've got stuff in here. We've got the little ad for the bonus boxes. We don't need to read that. We have a little info thingy about one of the products, and then we have our little booklet. So here is what the front of it looks like this time. And then let's open her up. Easy does it. Sometimes a swipe of rose gold eyeshadow is all you need to perk up your look. And thank goodness for that. Lately I've been all about products that work hard with minimal effort required on my end. And that's exactly what you're getting in this month's box. There's a retinol treatment that makes skin smooth and soft while you sleep, an eyeshadow trio that lets you go natural or glam in 2 minutes flat, and a leave-in conditioner that's so good at adding shine and hiding breakage you'd never know I air-dried my hair this morning. So, first product in is that retinol. This is by Boscia, and it's the 0.6% Pro Retinol Repair Plus Renew Waterless Advanced Treatment. There's a quote here: "To make your skin smoother, brighter, and clearer, dermatologists love retinol." We knew that. Why you'll love it. You're one of the first to try Boscia's new retinol treatment, and you're getting a full-size tube, a $48 value. It's loaded with retinol and vitamin C, tried and true ingredients for softening lines and making skin glow. How you'll use it. Retinol is best applied at night. To start, smooth 3 or 4 drops over skin a few times a week. Work your way up to every night over the course of a month. You can top this formula with a hydrating serum and/or moisturizer, but avoid layering it with products that contain acids like salicylic, glycolic, or lactic, which risk inactivating its vitamin C or causing irritation when paired with its retinol. So, there is that. Pretty good stuff. Next up, and this is the one that has the info about it on here, the Kaja Beauty Bento Bouncy Eyeshadow Trio in Chocolate Dahlia. So the box looks like that. I'll read both things here. So, Bouncy Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadow Trio. Let's see here. Swirl fingertip over eyeshadow to pick up product layer onto eyelids as desired. The colors are Crushed Pearl, Cool Khaki, and Brown Sugar. So, this thing's pretty cool. It comes looking like this. It's like 3 little compacts in one. Let's see here. As cute as it is good. So I'm going to actually take that little safety sticker off. Like, part of me is saying leave it for when you review it, but I'm like, you know what? It's not that serious. It's just not. So you can open them up, and each one has its own little mirror, as well as the shimmer. That's the first one. Then there's the second one. Oh wait, no, that's still the first one, sorry. Then there's our second one. And then finally, the third. So only the one is shimmery, but that's okay. So that's a pretty good little trio there, because there's a lot of looks you could get out of just that without needing a single other product, honestly. So I'll read what it says here, then I'll read the card, then I'll go back to the rest of the box. Swipe Crushed Pearl over your lids with a clean finger and blend brown sugar through the crease with a brush. It's the easiest eyeshadow look ever. Why you'll love it, this eyeshadow tower is a fun, not to mention gorgeous, reimagining of an eyeshadow palette. It's no bigger than a Hershey's miniature, perfect for throwing into a bag, but the powders inside have big-time color payoff that doesn't crease even after a full day of wear. How you'll use it. For a glam look on the quick, use a brush to blend brown sugar, the matte chocolate, through your creases, and Cool Khaki, the matte tan, over your lids. Then dust Crushed Pearl at the inner corners for a reflective rose gold highlight that makes this so much cooler than the average smoky eye. And this little thing cost 21 bucks. But again, it's like 3 different shadows, so like imagine buying 3 singles and yeah, that suddenly sounds a lot more reasonable, doesn't it? So then, on the little card, we've got this. The easiest smoky eyes ever. Smoldering eyeshadow doesn't have to be a masterful endeavor. Here's how to have a little fun with it and make the look your own. Excuse me, I burped. Prep your lids using a primer, or even a bit of concealer, which I wouldn't recommend because it creases more, will prevent shadow from smudging or smearing outside your eye area. Go beyond black. There are no rules, so use whatever colors make you feel great when you put them on. Jewel tones or neutrals, like the rich cocoa shades in Kaja's Allure Best of Beauty award-winning eyeshadow trio in this month's box, are a great way to add warmth. Perfection is overrated. You don't need to have the blending skills of a professional makeup artist. You can even use your fingers. Kaja's formulas are actually meant to be applied this way. Dab on the lightest color with your index finger, then blend it out over your entire lid with your ring finger. Then add a shade that's a little darker than your skin tone up in the crease, and use your pinky to apply the deepest shade along your upper and lower lash lines, concentrating the color near the outer corners. Make it pop. For a brightening effect, add a bit of shimmery eyeshadow or highlighter on the centers of the lids, underneath the brow bones, and on the inner corners. So, like, all the places I put it anyway. Add some drama. Curling your lashes is an extra step that makes a huge difference. Hold it for 10 seconds and then finish the look with a few coats of mascara. Well, no shit. Who's gonna go to the trouble of putting all that on to not finish it with mascara? Like, honestly, though. Anyway, I digress. So next up, we have the Wish Pink Champagne Lip Balm. Put this clear glossy balm over any bright matte lip color for a dimensional effect. This does have bakuchiol in it, which I think is Wish is like, their big ingredient they like to add to everything. Why you'll love it. You're getting a full-size tube, a $20 value of this balm, which actually applies more like a gloss with a soft sheen but zero stickiness. It bathes lips in soothing hydration, and even after the reflective finish fades, the moisture factor doesn't. This clear balm is also spiked with bakuchiol, a buzzy botanical ingredient for smoother skin, or in this case, lips. How you'll use it. You can apply it before bed for softer lips in the morning, but the shine from this balm is too pretty to use only at bedtime. Swipe it on during the day for a fresh, healthy look that pairs well with no makeup or a full beat. Okay. Next, this definitely is not full size. This is the NatureLab Perfect Repair Leave-In Treatment. You can use this and then air dry because with all the shine it leaves behind, who needs a flat iron? Why you'll love it. Now that the temperatures are getting cooler and hair is getting drier, we are obsessed with this J Beauty Leave-In Conditioner. Its strengthening keratin and nourishing botanical oils make it an excellent choice whether you're looking for a boost in the shine department or doing serious damage control. It even smoothed over breakage on one editor who went from Billie Eilish green to pastel pink. How you'll use it. Divide your hair into 2 sections, pulling each forward over your shoulders as you rake this light foam through the lengths and ends. This ensures you'll cover hard-to-reach areas and in the back. Run what's left on your hands over your roots, blow dry or air dry, and bask in the shine. Full size is $16, so that's actually not bad. If this works well for me, I would consider buying the full size of that, because that sounds pretty good. Next, and this is something that I pretty much always have on hand in a bigger size. This is the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser. It removes all traces of product, even mineral sunscreen, without leaving skin red or irritated. Why you'll love it. Everyone's skin needs are different, but the importance of removing your makeup before bed is a universal truth. With Calming Aloe, this fragrance-free cleanser turns that to-do list item into a soothing ritual, but not too laid back. It also has the power to whisk away oil, grime, and every last speck of foundation. How you'll use it. Every single night. When you find a cleanser you love as much as this one, trust us, you'll never again come up with excuses to prioritize your bed over your cleansing routine. $34 for 8 ounces. Or buy from Ulta. You can get that big size for less than that, especially if you do it during their sales. That's when I do it. Wait for the twice yearly, like, what is it? I don't know if they call it the semi-annual sales, but like 21 Days of Beauty, is that it? They usually have this in there, and it's like 2 for like 21 bucks usually is the deal they do for the full-size ones that are bigger than this, so just saying, just saying. That's how I get it. And then there was a couple different perfume samples you could have gotten. I got the Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb in Midnight, which I'm actually super stoked, because I like their regular Flower Bomb a lot too. It looks like a teeny tiny little grenade. It's so cute. Why, you'll love it. In the world of perfumes, the Flower Bomb collection is one of the greats. The Originals floral bouquet is fresh and daytime friendly, while Dew... Wait, what do you mean Dew? There's no Dew in this. Dew is a bit powdery, and Oh, they're talking about different ones. And Midnight has a sexy hint of musk. How you'll use it: spray it onto your pulse points, don't forget inner elbows and behind your knees, and you've got a sultry fragrance that lasts for hours. Oh, $115 for 1.7 ounces. Are you freaking kidding me? That is insane. That is not happening. That is not happening. The other one you could have gotten was the Proenza Schuyler Arizona one, which would retail for $100, but still, ouch. Ouch, my dudes. Ouch. Anyway, and then they've just got ads back here for additional shit you can buy from them, so... Anyways, that's what I got in my October Allure beauty box, not screwing that up twice. So anyways, that is it for this one, my dudes. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time. See ya.